Hey, it's Money Sloth, and this channel is going to be about day trading. I just signed up for Webull this year, and I got 4 free stocks after I made a $100 deposit. As you can see, I got 2 shares of SWN at $3.28, and 2 shares of ADT at $9.32. So these put together give me about a $25 bonus. When you sign up for a Webull trading account, you can get 4 free stocks as well. So check for the link in the description below if you would like to sign up. I'm still new to trading and have a lot to learn about the Webull trading platform, but in this video I thought it would be fun to make a guess at how long it would take to turn a $100 account into a $1 million account. This would require doubling your account almost 15 times. So if you were able to double your account once every 2 months, it would take you 30 months, so about 2.5 years to reach 1 million. I opened an account on Robinhood the first week of December 2020, and it took me 7 weeks to double my account, and that was starting with $20. So starting next week, I'm going to track how long it takes me to double my Webull account. Thanks for watching, and remember to be like a sloth and make some lazy money.